activity that y'all can try at home. As you may know, this Sunday is Easter Sunday, and if you are celebrating and you're looking for a fun activity to try out at home, we've got just the thing for you. We've got these wonderful Easter baskets that are made from recycled soda bottles. So I'm going to be showing y'all how to make these really quickly. So first thing that you need, first supply, is of course you need some empty soda bottles. It can be 1 liter, 2 liter, it's completely up to you. You're also going to need some scissors because there's a little bit of cutting involved, so maybe some adult supervision to go along with that. A ruler or measuring tape. Some decorative tape like washi tape or duct tape, masking tape. It doesn't need to be pretty, but we like things to be pretty sometimes. A pipe cleaner, string, ribbon, anything that can be the handle for your basket, and then a single hole punch. So those are the basic supplies that you need to make this craft happen. There are some other decorative supplies that I'll go into in just a little bit. All right, so first step that you need to do to make your Easter basket is you need to remove the plastic label from your bottle. So I've already gone ahead and did that. Now what I'm gonna do, my second step, is I'm gonna take this bottle and split it into 2 parts. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your measuring tape or your ruler and you're gonna measure 3.5 inches from the bottom of the bottle. So that's gonna be around right here for me. And then you're gonna cut and split the bottle into 2 parts. Now, keep in mind the bottom half of your bottle is gonna be the basket. So if you want your basket to be a little bit deeper, a little bit taller, you can move that incision line from 3.5 up a little bit higher. It's completely up to you. Alright, so I've gone ahead and cut my bottle into 2 pieces. We don't need this top portion of the soda bottle for this particular craft, but I've actually got another craft that I'm going to be doing in just a few weeks, days, who knows, with this portion of the bottle. So you might want to hold on to it. If you're not going to hold on to it, feel free to recycle it. Alright, so going back to this bottom half, now that I've cut the bottle, it's got a little bit of a rough edge. And we don't really like that. So you can either use some sandpaper to smooth it down, or the really easy solution is to use tape to just cover it up. So I've got some decorative washi tape that I'm going to be putting around the edge of my bottle. And like I mentioned earlier, if you don't want to use washi tape or you don't have any washi tape, you can use masking tape or duct tape. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Gracie's gonna fast forward all of this. I just know she is. All right, perfect. So I've gone ahead and applied the tape around the edge of my little bottle basket, so it's not going to be super prickly. It's going to be really smooth. All right, and then I can decorate the front of my bottle however I please. You can take some construction paper and wrap it around the outside of your bottle. You can use some glue or a glue stick or hot glue if you want to. Once again, some adult supervision. I think I'm just gonna add some bunny ears to the back of my bottle and see how that goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. I'm gonna apply some stickers, that's a good option too. And then we'll come back for our next step. gosh. I was going to spell out Happy Easter with the stickers.
Yeah.
But I should write Hoppy Easter.
You should.
Oh my gosh. You excited about eating chili for dinner?
I feel like that's a long time from now.
Oh.
But yeah, I am.
Ears. Oh boy.
So you think all of this is gonna be fast forwarded?
I hope so. It better be.
So you're making a lot of small talk. I may have dozed off earlier.
Yeah, I saw that.
You saw me doze off?
Yes.
I'm sorry. I don't know what happened.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so cute. Alright, so I have finished decorating my Easter basket. I've attached some bunny ears in the back here, and then in the front, using stickers, I've written Happy Easter, but I've replaced the A with an O, so it says Hoppy Easter. Okay, now my basket is almost ready to go. The last thing that it needs is a handle. So I'm going to take my single hole punch. I'm going to punch some holes kind of near the top of the edges of the basket, and you want them directly across from each other. There we go. Okay, and then you can take your pipe cleaner, your ribbon, whatever. We doubled ours up over here with these example ones, but you can use a single one. It's up to you. I think doubling it up just makes it a little bit more sturdy, and just thread it through. Make yourself a little handle. I think pipe cleaners are awesome because they just seem like a lot sturdier than ribbon would. Okay, and there you go. You've got yourself a nice little Easter basket. You can take some Easter grass. Easter grass? Is this what this is called? And stuff it in there. You can add some eggs. Maybe some candy, some of those chocolate eggs. This 1 liter bottle is the perfect size for that. So there you go. It's a fun little craft that you can try at home, and it's fun for the whole family. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let us know if you try it. Share those pictures with us, and we hope you have a happy Easter. Bye.